Good morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss about one of the products Microsoft known as Robotics Developer Studio 2008. It enables developers to quickly and easily create robotic applications for a variety of different platforms. While the product is quite simple to use, there are a number of different technologies involved. RDS 2008 is a Windows-based environment that enables hobbyists, professionals and non-professional developers to create robotic applications targeting a wide range of scenarios. RDS includes a programming module that makes it easy to develop asynchronous, state-driven applications. There were many previous versions of Microsoft RDS 2008 released, like Express Edition, Standard Edition, and Academic Editions. But recently, all have been combined into one new version, RDS 2008 R3, with much more facilities and can be downloaded absolutely at no charge. System requirements. Microsoft RDS is basically supported by Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP. In addition to using Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio 2008 R3 as a standalone development environment, it can be used with any of the Visual Studio 2008 or 2010 editions, including the Express Edition. Note that you should install Visual Studio before installing Robotics Developer Studio so that the new service widget installs correctly. Now I am going to discuss about the components. There are basically four components in RDS. CCR, or better known as Concurrency and Coordination Runtime. CCR is a code library that you can access from any language that targets the C.NET, a common language runtime. It is in charge of managing things like asynchronous operations and concurrency power that are common when dealing with systems such which are loosely coupled. Second one is known as DSS, or Decentralized Software Services. DSS is a lightweight runtime environment that sits on the top of CCR. The DSS application model makes it simple to access and respond to a robot state using a web browser or Windows-based application. The third one, or known as VPL, Visual Programming Language. VPL provides a simple drag-and-drop visual programming language tool that makes it easy to create robotic applications. While you can write a robotic applications whichever language you prefer, like VPL, VB, C#, C++, and Python. VPL provides a more visual experience than any of the others and is actually quite simple and fun to use. The fourth one and the last one is VSE, or known as Visual Simulation Environment. The powerful Visual Simulation Environment provides a high-fidelity simulation environment that is powered by NVIDIA engine for running game-quality 3D simulations with real-time world physics interactions. If the last acronyms made no sense to you, not to worry, this one is simple. What if you want to write a program for a robot, but you don't yet have the robots? That's where the Visual Simulation Environment comes into play. It lets you test your programs using virtual robots in virtual environments and see how they behave. There is no need to connect to the robot for every little change. It only takes a few seconds to shut down the simulation and restart it with the latest version of your application already programmed into the virtual robot. Features. Non-programmers can create robotic applications using a visual programming environment. You can interact with robots using Windows or web-based interfaces. It helps in real-time monitoring of robotic sensors and response to robots and actuators. It supports both remotely connected, PC-based and robot-connected autonomous application scenarios. It is also used to develop different styles of programming language. I hope this brief introduction has shown you just how easy it can be to get started programming using the Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. While we have just touched on the basics, hopefully it was enough to help familiarize you with the concepts, programs and acronyms involved. They are quite good and will have you building complex robotic applications before you know it. Thank you.